Greetings, children. Captain D here. I would like to introduce you to a friend of mine. He lives right here in the lamp, and his name is Mr. Flare.
Hey, Captain, how you doing? Good to see ya.
You too, Mr. Flare.
Oh, hello, children.
Mr. Flare sounds like a very glamorous name, but you're actually a pretty down-to-earth sort of guy, isn't that true?
That's right, CD. I'm simple and easy to get along with. But you know what? That doesn't mean I'm worthless and don't deserve recognition and respect.
And you really like to travel, right?
I sure do. I've been all over the world and present at some of the most important events in history. The 2006 night launch of the Space Shuttle Discovery. The launch of any space thing, really. The police reunion tour. The reenactment of the World Trade Center reenactment of the Iwo Jima raising of the flag by the Lafayette High School cheerleading squad. Hell, I met most of these kids watching. Although you wouldn't know it from the way they act.
All right, now
I'm not finished. They don't want to give me my due credit. They'd rather believe I'm some paranormal orb or ghost or angel. Well, angel my big refracted ass.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Flare. He raises a good point, though. A camera lens is an imperfect device. Light can bounce around its various elements and create weird anomalies on the image. Some people choose to regard this as evidence of paranormal occurrences. My question is why? Here's a perfect example. This video claims to show some sort of fire angel hovering around a bonfire at a gathering of chanting Christians in Honduras.
But you'd have to be completely dense not to realize that this is nothing more than a lens flare from the fire itself. Aside from the fact that it moves in concert with the camera, if you look carefully you can see that it's an actual miniature image of the fire upside down. So why do some people continue to post ordinary videos like this and then fill the descriptions with ridiculous lies? My guess is for attention.
But you don't need to make stuff up to get some personal attention. Just leave the computer once in a while and go hang out with a friend. Better yet, make new ones, like Mr. Flare.
Ass! Whoa, sorry, I just had to get that out of my system.
But now I'm afraid it's time for us to go, kids.
Yeah, an undergrad in California is about to take a picture of his family against a shiny metal wall.
Remember, love with your heart, use your head for everything else.
And don't be such a freaking idiot!
Captain Disillusion.
Mr. Flare!